Hello everyone, and welcome to Word Glow, where simple English stories help you learn, grow, and discover the world. Today's video is a biography story. We will learn about the life of a very famous person, Donald Trump. This story is told in easy English, perfect for A2 and B1 learners. So sit back, relax, and listen carefully. Let's begin. Early life. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York City. He grew up in a big, comfortable home with his parents and 4 siblings. His father, Fred Trump, was a well-known businessman who built houses and apartments in New York. His mother, Mary Ann Trump, came from Scotland. She moved to America when she was young. Donald was the 4th child in the family. He had 2 brothers and 2 sisters. Their names were Mary Ann, Fred Jr., Elizabeth, and Robert. Even though Donald's family was wealthy, his parents believed in discipline. They wanted their children to work hard and become strong, independent people. Education and childhood. As a child, Donald was energetic and sometimes a little bit wild. He studied at a local school called Kew Forest School. But when he became a teenager, his parents sent him to the New York Military Academy. This school had strict rules and tough training. Donald later said that this military school helped him become more confident and responsible. After finishing high school, Donald went to Fordham University in New York. He studied there for 2 years, but he wanted to learn more about business, so he transferred to the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania. Wharton is one of the top business schools in America. Donald studied economics and graduated in 1968. Early career, working with his father. After university, Donald joined his father's company, the Trump Organization. At that time, the company mostly built houses and small apartments for middle-class families. Donald wanted to do bigger things. He wanted to build tall buildings, hotels, and famous projects in New York City. His father trusted him, so he gave him the responsibility to manage new projects. The first big success. In the 1970s, Donald worked on his first major project, the Commodore Hotel in Manhattan. The old hotel was almost empty and losing money. Donald had an idea. Renovate it, make it modern, and turn it into a beautiful hotel again. He worked with the government, investors, and the Hyatt Company. Together, they transformed the building into the Grand Hyatt Hotel. The hotel became very successful. Newspapers in New York started writing about this young businessman named Donald Trump. This was the moment when he began to become famous. Building an empire. In the 1980s, Donald Trump continued to work on more ambitious projects. He built Trump Tower, a tall, modern skyscraper in New York City. Trump Tower became one of the most recognizable buildings in the world. It had luxury apartments, offices, and expensive shops. People started seeing Donald Trump as a symbol of wealth and success. He also bought casinos and hotels in Atlantic City, including the Trump Plaza and Trump Castle. At this time, Donald often appeared on TV shows, newspapers, and magazines. His lifestyle, his buildings, and his bold personality made him a well-known public figure. TV fame, The Apprentice. In the early 2000s, Donald Trump became even more famous through a TV show called The Apprentice. In the show, people competed in business challenges. Donald Trump was the host and judge of the show. His famous line, "You're fired," became popular all over the world. The show ran for many seasons and made him a global television star. Personal life. Donald Trump's family life is also an important part of his story. He has been married 3 times and has several children. 1. Marriage to Ivana Trump, 1977 to 1992. His first wife was Ivana Trump, a model from the Czech Republic. Together, they had 3 children, Donald Trump Jr., Ivanka Trump, Eric Trump. They worked together in business for many years, but after 15 years of marriage, they divorced in 1992. 2. Marriage to Marla Maples, 1993 to 1999. Donald's second wife was Marla Maples, an actress. They had 1 daughter named Tiffany Trump. Their marriage ended after a few years. 3. Marriage to Melania Trump, 2005 to present. In 2005, Donald married Melania Trump, a model from Slovenia. They had 1 son named Barron Trump, born in 2006. Melania later became the First Lady of the United States. Business challenges. Donald Trump's career also had difficult times. Some of his companies faced financial problems. A few of his casinos in Atlantic City went bankrupt, but Donald always found a way to recover. He continued to start new business projects and stayed in the public eye. He once said, "Sometimes by losing a battle, you find a new way to win the war." Entering politics. For many years, Donald Trump talked about politics. He often shared his opinions about the country and how he thought things should change. In 2015, he officially announced that he was running for President of the United States. Many people did not take him seriously in the beginning, but his speeches were strong, simple, and direct. He talked about business, jobs, immigration, and America's future. Millions of Americans supported him. 45th President of the United States. In 2016, Donald Trump won the presidential election. He became the 45th President of the United States. During his time in office, he made many major decisions. Some people strongly supported him, and some strongly disagreed with him. He became one of the most talked about presidents in American history. Donald Trump served as president until 2021. Life after presidency. After leaving the White House, Donald Trump continued to speak at events, give interviews, and remain active in politics. He is still one of the most famous and influential people in the world. The life of Donald Trump is a story full of success, challenges, risk, confidence, and big decisions. From a young boy in Queens, to a businessman in New York, to a TV star, and finally, to the President of the United States. His journey shows how ambition and determination can shape a person's life. Thank you for watching this story on WordGlow.